What is an induction schedule? If your users need to complete a series of inductions within any given time frame, the induction schedule function will assist you to automate this process. So let's say our contractors need to complete a general induction first, and once it's done, they then need to complete our Site A induction within 7 days. That means that your admin has to track who completed general induction first, and then decide whether to send them an invite for the next induction or not, which translates to constant manual work, expenditure, and room for errors. We can eliminate human errors by creating a schedule with the following instructions. After first induction is complete, send an auto-invite to my user to do the second induction after 7 days. Let me show you how to activate our induction schedule function. Click on Schedule, then Add New Schedule. Let's name our schedule Contractor Learning Pathway, and then we'll enter our description as all contractors to complete 2 inductions. Then just click on Save. Now click on the Actions button and let's add our first induction. I'm going to select General Induction, but you can select from a list of your own available inductions. So now let's click Save. And then here we can see that our first induction is in. Let's go ahead and add a second one. Just click on Actions and Add Induction. So we're going to select Site A induction. And then we're going to program it to be automatically sent 7 days after our general induction is completed. And then just click Save. Now, when our users complete our general induction, the system will send them an auto-invite to complete our Site A induction after 7 days. You can also add more inductions to the list at any time. This brings us to the end of our help pages. We'd like to thank you for your time. If you have any questions or suggestions, please just contact us. And as always, happy inducting.